I asked my pool cleaner for a day off. It said, sorry, I'm already drowning in work.
If you own a pool, you already know one thing. Keeping it clean really never stops. Leaves fall directly in the water, bugs land right on the surface, dirt blows in from the yard, and here in Florida, it can feel like your pool gets dirty the moment you finish cleaning it. Normally, that means dragging out the vacuum, brushing the walls, and spending time every week maintaining the pool. But today, we're testing something that claims it can automate almost all of that. This is the MOVA Diver A10 robotic pool cleaner, and it claims 6,000 gallons per hour of suction power, smart navigation, waterline scrubbing, and up to 4 hours of runtime on one single charge. And we're going to test that out. So today, we're putting it through its paces. We're going to go through a real backyard pool test and see if it can actually handle the kind of debris we get here in Florida.
Welcome to Supercar Street Racing, where tech, tools, and powerful ideas come to life. We test cutting-edge gear, phones, flashlights, AI tools, and more. Everything you see is real-world, hands-on, and pushed to the limit. You're part of the journey. Every review, every challenge, every discovery. So hit subscribe and join us as we explore what today's tech is truly capable of.
Welcome back to Supercar Street Racing, and we are in the beautiful Studio A out here at the SCSR compound. And you know, we review everything here, from cars to scooters to tech to tools. Anything interesting we can test, we are down to review it. And today we're testing out a robotic pool cleaner. So this is the MOVA Diver A10 robotic pool cleaner. And the goal of this device is simple. You drop it in the pool and it automatically cleans the floor, the walls, and the water line. One of the biggest features though is the 6,000 gallon per hour suction power, which pulls debris into the filtration system. And now it also comes with a 3.5 liter ultra fine filtration system designed to capture both large debris like leaves and then smaller particles like sand. Another huge plus, PoolNavi. It does adaptive path planning. So instead of randomly moving around your pool like older cleaners, which just are taking a guess, this system calculates efficient cleaning routes. This helps clean your entire pool without missing any spots. Now, the cleaner also includes smart obstacle avoidance, which prevents it from getting stuck on things like ladders or drains. And it offers 8 personalized cleaning modes, allowing you to customize how the pool gets cleaned. But instead of talking about these features, we are actually going to test them. Now let's do a quick look at what's in the box. Inside, we have the MOVA A10 diver, the charging cable, and the removable filtration basket. But you also get a fine basket for the smaller things like sand. Now this unit feels solid and well built, which is very important for something that spends all of its time underwater. Look at this guy. It's like carbon fiber. It's so cool. Check out the camera on the front too. Now it came with a quick start guide and a charger and all that stuff, of course. And look at this filtration basket. It's so easy to remove for cleaning. And that's pretty much it. That's everything in the box. Setup is very straightforward. Now let's get this thing charged, connected, and put it directly in the pool. The MOVA Diver A10 connects to the MOVA Home mobile app. Through the app, you can start or stop cleaning cycles, monitor the battery levels, and choose between different cleaning modes. Now, the cleaner supports 8 personalized cleaning modes. You can choose options like floor cleaning, wall cleaning, waterline cleaning, or full pool cleaning. This allows you to customize how the robot operates depending on the conditions of your pool. Once everything is connected, you're ready to start cleaning. We have to scan our device now, and there it goes. Okay, we got to power it on. Robot is on. We have to hold this down until it flashes blue. There it goes. We're ready to pair. It found our MOVA pool cleaner and it is connecting right now. I see an orange light on the front. It is done. Okay, let's go to the device. You see on the bottom here, you can see your cleaning modes. I'm going to go ahead and plug the robot back in, but basically you can do floor and walls, floor or just walls, or you can do a timer. It's at 47%, needs to charge for a little bit. Let's go ahead and plug it in now. Once this gets dropped in the pool, the PoolNavi adaptive path planning system is analyzing the pool layout and planning its route. So instead of randomly driving around, it's going to calculate the most efficient path to cover the entire pool. Now, as this thing cleans, you can see the cleaner moving steadily across the pool floor and adjusting the direction as it maps out the area. This will help ensure the entire pool gets cleaned without unnecessary overlap. Now, you can see on the bottom of the pool leaves, grass clippings, sand, and this is exactly the type of thing that usually ends up in a pool after a windy day. And you know we have those in Florida. Now, as the cleaner moves over the debris, you can see it pulling everywhere into the filtration system. Even the sand is going to disappear quickly. That strong suction power is what allows for the cleaner to capture both large debris and fine particles. Now we're looking at the wall climbing ability of the MOVA Diver A10. You can see here in the video, it goes to the wall and begins climbing upward. Now, once it reaches the top, it's going to also scrub my nice glass tile at the waterline. Now, the waterline is actually very challenging. This is one of the hardest areas to keep clean because the oils and algae collect there. And the A10 performs 2 times waterline cleaning, meaning it makes multiple passes to scrub your waterline more effectively. And this helps keep the edge of your pool looking clean at the very top. Look at that glass tile sparkle. Now, another feature MOVA highlights is its precise edge cleaning. Corners and edges are where debris tend to collect. The cleaner adjusts its position, follows the edges, and removes buildup in those areas. Now, the MOVA also has the ability to avoid obstacles. It can avoid ladders, drains, or other structures that can trap robotic cleaners. The MOVA Diver A10 detects obstacles and changes direction, avoiding getting stuck. Another key feature is the battery endurance. The MOVA Diver A10 can run for up to 240 minutes, which is about 4 hours on a single charge. And to demonstrate that today, we set up a camera to capture a time lapse of the cleaner running throughout the day. You can see the cleaner continuing to work for hours here. The long runtime allows it to complete a full cleaning cycle for most residential pools. Now you can take a look at the filter after we are done cleaning. Inside it, you get leaves, dirt, and sand. This is where the 3.5 liter ultra fine filtration system really helps. It'll capture the debris while still allowing strong water flow. Overall, the MOVA Diver A10 did a great job of cleaning the pool. The suction power is strong, the navigation system works well, and it handles walls and water lines without much trouble at all. Now, if you're interested in checking out the MOVA Diver A10, the spring promotion has just started, and you can click the link in the description to enjoy a big discount. And if you want to see more real-world product tests like this, subscribe to Supercar Street Racing, like this video, and subscribe. And thank you for over 265,000 subscribers. That's an amazing feat, and we couldn't have done it without you guys. We got to get out of here, though. We just have to leave. I have no excuses.